Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your South State Bank credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your South State Bank credit card, start by locating your registered email address or phone number linked to your account. Next, visit the South State Bank official website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be redirected to the login page. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you to a password recovery page. Enter your registered email address or phone number in the provided field. Then, click on the Submit button to receive a verification code. Check your email or SMS for this code. Once you receive it, return to the password recovery page. Enter the verification code in the designated area. Click on Verify to proceed. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the required security criteria. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again. Click on the Reset Password button. You should see a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the login page with your new password. Enter your username and the new password to access your account. Follow any additional prompts if needed for security verification. After logging in, navigate to your credit card settings. Review the options available to ensure everything is up to date. If you encounter any issues during this process, contact South State Bank customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.